Kondos is a family-owned Australian corn mill that's located in the Riverina, New South Wales. Our business is built on years of experience, precision and connections with local growers. We source high-quality Australian maize directly from growers right here in New South Wales, building long-standing relationships based on reliability and trust. That corn is precision milled at our SQF certified facility in Darlington Point, New South Wales. Every batch processed to exact specifications with full paddock to plate traceability from start to finish. The result? Corn products trusted by manufacturers across Australia and beyond. Our maize is used as a core ingredient by international snack companies, Australian popcorn giants and local food service businesses. Australian corn, grown, owned and milled right here at home.